So the Family Wealth Report has just released the finalists for its 2025 Wealth Management Awards that are coming up in May. In my opinion, this is one of the best awards for the wealth management industry. And for the firms who have been shortlisted, congratulations, it's a big deal. So now what? How can you leverage being a finalist in an award before you've won? In this video, we're going to cover 3 things. 1, why is it even a big deal that you're a finalist? 2, how can you leverage being a finalist? And 3, if you win, what's next? So first point, why is it a big deal that you're a finalist? Being a finalist in an award that has no pay-to-play element is a big deal. You're competing against 20, sometimes 30 firms in your category. You are writing a beautiful narrative about why you are an exceptional firm and why you deserve to win this award. Being a finalist offers you a little bit of credibility. It's just like any other piece of earned media. You should communicate this to your clients and prospects because it does provide a point of affirmation and also contributes to your content mix. So what do you do when you've been shortlisted for an award? Write a description of the award and put it on your website and outline exactly which awards you've been shortlisted for. Create social media posts and blast it out on LinkedIn. You can even tag the award publication for extra visibility in your social media post. You should email your clients and prospects letting them know that you've been shortlisted. And if it's appropriate, ask them to join you at the awards. When you've been shortlisted, you could almost treat it as though you've won the award already. And then if you win, what next? We would recommend doing all of those same things, website, social media, email, but also take it one step further. Put out a press release. Putting out a press release on Business Wire or PR Newswire is going to get you instant visibility. It's going to generate links that are going to help with your SEO, and it's going to make it look like a big deal. Winning an award is not just good news for your clients and prospects. It's also great news for your team. People love being part of a winning team, and you should promote it internally with your team just as much as you promote it externally with your clients, prospects, and centers of influence. Winning an award is a big deal, so make sure you leverage it to its full potential. If you have any questions about winning awards in the wealth management industry, please don't hesitate. Give us a call. And don't forget to like and subscribe.